In this process, we're going to be doing, for the fourth move in our Yellow Belt series is Knee of Vengeance.
Knee of Vengeance, okay.
Knee of Vengeance is for a lapel grab. Now, keep in mind, if the lapel grab from the attacker, the thumbs are placed up.
Okay.
Like this, the elbows are face down.
Okay.
Now, you remember about clinches?
Yes.
Right? So clinches are when we actually regain control, right? Either a head clinch, a top clinch, a side clinch, and then this one involves a bottom clinch. Now, the bottom clinch is a real, so most clinches that we have, we're either grabbing and pulling the structure in. Here, we're doing two moves. One is an upward motion, to what we refer to as hyperextending the elbows as they come up, just like that,
Okay.
right? Usually it gets the person on their toes as well.
Right.
Once that happens, we immediately pull down into a structure, but we gotta give some room. So we're gonna shuffle forward just a little half step as we bring up the hands, okay? So I want you to focus on that first.
Okay.
It's just, you're gonna come up like you're grabbing the elbows,
right.
Boom, and just like that,
Gotcha.
you're gonna bring this knee right here, and then you're gonna pull down into the knee. Good?
Okay.
So when it happens, it's boom, bang. Good.
Okay.
Ready? So 1, 2. Good. Now, once this happens, we pull the elbows. Now that hyperextension, the person's they're gonna try to go in the opposite direction and get away with you, right? Because if this is the process you wanna get away from, you're not gonna go further up, you're gonna try to come down.
Exactly.
And then you're just gonna help them along with that process.
Right.
Now, once they get kneed into the groin, they're gonna bend over, hopefully, if you've done it correctly at that point. Once that happens, you're gonna place the foot down, and what you're doing now is that you're almost in between their legs at that point.
Right.
And this elbow, okay, because you've let go of the arms down here, is coming up and pushing, not an elbow sandwich, but we're pushing out to that direction. Good?
That's what
So-
that's what I would thought was gonna be an elbow next.
Right.
Right.
So the whole thing looks good?
Right.
Good. Now, this position is called a pushing elbow. Now, it's an elbow strike, it's a horizontal, but it's more diagonal
Okay.
as it pushes the body up.
So is that correct or?
Yep.
Let's go.
That's right. So what we're doing when we step forward, once we hit knee and we fall forward,
Right.
we're now at this point where we're turning our body.
Okay.
Here, and we're pushing that way.
Got you.
Right, and it's pushing the body
You
up.
got momentum. Right. You got some force behind it. Right.
Yep.
Your body weight.
So we're gonna practice here,
Okay.
where you grab underneath the elbows.
Right. So I'm gonna go.
1, right?
Right.
Then 2, you're gonna grab and you're gonna pull down.
I'm gonna.
Pull down. So you pull down into the knee, but you step forward.
Oh. Okay.
You step forward, and then this elbow comes up
Right.
and pushes the body that way.
Right. I'm using my momentum like this, like that.
Right.
I mean,
So you're not turning the hip out. What you're doing is that as you hit
Right.
here, you're just turning.
okay. Gotcha. Gotcha.
Boom, right?
Right.
Good. Ready?
Mhm.
One more time. So from here,
Go.
okay, 1, 2.
And then.
This hand just folds in, and boom. That's
Yeah.
how the-
I'm not moving it at all. I'm just going into it.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Don't even from here. Don't turn your hip this way. You're turning
Okay.
your body, your whole
Right,
torso.
right.
So it's
Okay.
like this
So
kind
it's
of
just
move.
like grab that and then.
Here. That's it.
Right.
Much better.
Don't
much
move.
better.
Right.
Now remember, you're a purple belt level. So don't worry so much about the yellow belt move having all the extra fundamentals that will be in there.
Okay.
Later on, what you'll do, as you shuffle forward to come in,
Yes.
this is, and as we come forward, we're using marriage of gravity to meet the hand as it's coming up. And it pushes the body up. And then the turn will focus and throw the upper body. Here it hits and it goes away. It'll expose this process.
Gotcha.